These aren't scenes from an action movie. They're real roads where one wrong move means disaster. In this video, you'll see how experienced drivers beat the roads and how the roads beat inexperienced drivers. The very poor condition of the road, the poor road surface, and the steep slope have created many challenges for the residents of this area. Let's see some of the incidents together. Can inexperience of drivers also cause these accidents? Some drivers pass easily. Does high experience make them go up?
Berapi. Remuk. Bias. Woi! Matikan, matikan! Woi! Pemati! Matikan! Mesin! Engine mounting. Runway! Runway! Bannya pecah itu, bannya pecah itu.
Semua semoga sehat selalu dan dilancarkan rezekinya.
Problems continue on this road. Is the steepness, poor road conditions, inexperience, or the heavy load of the trucks causing these accidents? Please comment your opinions.
Astagfirullahaladzim, 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 astagfirullah, 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 astagfirullahaladzim, 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 astagfirullahaladzim.
Sometimes, there are loads so massive that the roads themselves seem too small for them. Huge machines, entire buildings, or parts of ships, things so heavy that even gravity seems to complain. The drivers who move these giants face one of the toughest jobs in the world. Every turn, every hill, every bridge could mean disaster if something goes wrong. Before the journey even begins, engineers plan every single meter of the route. Police escorts clear traffic. Workers lift power lines, and entire towns sometimes have to stop, all just to let one enormous truck pass through. But even with all that preparation, nature doesn't always cooperate. Rain turns the ground into mud, steep hills test the engines, and narrow roads leave no room for mistakes. Sometimes the truck gets stuck for hours. Sometimes it slides dangerously close to the edge. And sometimes it simply can't go any further. For the people behind the wheel, this isn't just a delivery, it's a test of skill, patience, and courage. They know that one wrong move could cost millions, or even lives. Yet, when the mission finally succeeds and the cargo reaches its destination, it's more than just a job well done. It's proof that human determination can move even the impossible. Moving an old submarine isn't just transportation, it's like moving a piece of history. This massive steel beast once ruled the oceans, silent beneath the waves, carrying stories of war, courage, and human innovation. Now, decades later, it's no longer a weapon, but a relic. Every bolt, every dent, every mark on its hull tells a story of men who lived months underwater, of missions that were never spoken about, and of a time when the ocean was a battlefield. Today, it's being moved carefully to a museum, not for battle, but for memory. It takes dozens of experts, massive cranes, and perfect timing to lift something that heavy and fragile at the same time. Rain changes everything. What was once a simple road turns into a slippery battlefield. A place where tires lose their grip, and even the strongest machines struggle to stay in control. Drivers who face these roads know it's not just about skill, it's about respect. Respect for nature, for the weight of their trucks, and for the risk in every turn. Every drop of rain adds uncertainty. The mud gets deeper, the slopes more dangerous, and one wrong move can turn into disaster in seconds. Yet, these drivers keep going. Through storms, through flooded roads, through conditions that would stop anyone else. They push forward, because stopping isn't an option. In these moments, it's not just man versus machine. It's man versus nature, and nature always reminds us who's in charge. Not every road warrior drives a shining machine. In some corners of the world, trucks and cars are held together by hope, rope, and pure determination. Rust replaces chrome, engines cough more than they roar, and every mile is a gamble between survival and breakdown. These vehicles have seen more dust, more rain, more time aid than most of us ever will. They shouldn't still be running, but somehow, they do. Because behind every dent, every missing door, every cracked windshield, there's a driver who refuses to stop. It's not about comfort, it's not about luxury. It's about moving forward, no matter what. And maybe that's the real beauty of the road. Not in perfection, but in persistence. From treacherous roads to unstoppable machines. From rusted wheels to hearts that never give up. This is the true spirit of motion. The world moves forward not because it's easy, but because someone, somewhere, refuses to stop. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's toughest roads, don't forget to like, share, and join us here on Mystics, where every story is a step deeper into the world's most astonishing wonders.